Hello guys, welcome to this channel. There is a video I made a few days ago, but I had not shown it to everybody. So I feel like there is a lot from that video that we can learn from, and from the way things happened. If you really go through this video, you will see how much we were able to cover in just that video. So right now I'm just going to play that video again, and it's going to help you, and we are going to take things from there on the next video that I'm going to make, because I really want you to understand everything that I said on that video. So right now I'm just going to play it again for you. So I will see you. Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another day, it's a Monday. So today I want to show you something very important. Guys, every trader's nightmare is this. Seeing this is every trader's nightmare. So today I want to show you how I moved from this to this. So right now guys, I'm going to take you through this symbol indicator strategy that is going to help you maximize your profits this 2025. Getting this trade is easy, and I will try to break it down for you so that everybody can be on the same page. Otherwise, I was there too. I lived that life and I lost a lot last year. So what we're going to do first, this is USD JPY. So this is the 4-hour time frame. As you all know that this is my best time frame. I love to use the 4-hour time frame, but you are not obliged to use the same time frame as I use, because what I'm going to explain to you today is something that you can use on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, and on the smaller time frames, including the 5 minutes and the 1 minute time frame. So guys, let's get down to business. So the first thing that we are going to do today is that we are just going to take things up there to that indicator bar, and when we get there, this is what we're going to do. This is the alligator. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the main chart, F function, and then go to alligator, and then Joe's period 13, Joe's shift, that's 8, tit period, that's 8, tit shift, that's 5, lips period, that's 5, lip shift, that's 3, method smoothed, apply to open. And you can just choose the different colors. Make sure you put them on 2 pixels. You don't want things getting too bright on the screen. Then what we're going to do next is that we're going to click save, and we are done. This is just one indicator, but the profits are worth every penny. So let's get down to business. So my dear friends, this is what we're going to do today. You don't really need a lot of time frames for this one. You can just stick to one, master that time frame, and we will get to such profits. It's a Monday, guys. It's a Monday, and most pairs today are ranging. By the way, there are too many holidays in the US today, so it's not a good day to trade. Make sure that you keep that one in mind. So let's see. The alligator works like this. So let me just open up some space here so that I can show you nice. So the alligator has got 3 lines like this. So this is the red line, the green line, the blue line. So you will find them like this. So whenever you find the lines open like this, it means either, depending on the direction, either it's going down this way or it's going up that way. Either way, it depends on the lines. So that time, it is when price is on the move. Price is on the move during that period, and then unless you find price to be like this, so whenever you find the lines crossing, maybe something like this, that means price is ranging. So at that point, which will be our main points today, I want us to focus on those points in what I want us to do over here. So let's get to business. So what you are going to do is that after price has been ranging, for instance, you see at this point, what we are going to wait for in order for us to know what is really happening in the market. So let me just zoom it out a bit so that everyone can see clearly. So what we are going to wait for is a bullish engulfing candle or a bearish engulfing candle after price has been ranging. You get me? So we've got price range at this area over here. This is just it over here. Let me highlight it. So over here, and after that, what we have, after price has been ranging, what we have is a bearish engulfing candle. So that bearish engulfing candle is the one that is going to give us this sell entry over here, of which we're able to make such tremendous profits as easy as that. Now if we want to buy, what we will look for is a bullish engulfing candle after price has been ranging. So after price ranges, what you come to do is you come to the trend and then you look for a bullish engulfing candle or bullish consecutive candles, and then you are able to buy. In as much as this one, it didn't really last for long, but this is the 4-hour time frame. Keep that in mind. So guys, all you wait for is for price to range. So when price has been ranging, what you wait for is a bullish engulfing candle or a bullish engulfing candle, and then if it is a bearish engulfing candle, we sell. If it is a bullish engulfing candle, we buy. So that is how simple the alligator is. Once you master that one, I'm telling you, because this thing really works. This thing really works. If you are really not sure, this is price ranging. The lines are crossing, as you can see. So the lines are crossing over here. If the lines are crossing, when they are done crossing, opening up like this, you come down to the chart, and what you look for is a bearish engulfing candle. And my dear friends, we do have a bearish engulfing candle just at this point over here. We have another one over here, and then we sell. Now look at this. If we sold at that point over there, look at the way, the magnitude of price going down all this way. So imagine how much profits we're able to make with all this price movement going down like that. So this is the alligator. So simple, you easily read it, you easily interpret it. Everybody can really get this one. Now same thing applies over here. We can see there is a price range. After price has been ranging, what we look for is symbol. We look for a bearish or a bullish engulfing candle, and for instance here we have got a bearish engulfing candle or consecutive bearish candles. And imagine if we make our entry at that point. Now look at the all this way going down. So price, so guys, this is how we do it over here. Let's look for a buy entry. So over here we can see that price has been ranging. Everybody can see. So let me just highlight it for you. Price has been ranging because the lines have been crossing and they kept on even this side. But after price has been ranging, there was an opening over here. So the opening led to this bullish consecutive candles or this bullish engulfing candle, and then we were good to go. Now let's see how far this one went. Let's see how far this one went. Look at that. Look, oh my god, look at this. Just look at this all this way. This is the 4-hour time frame, not that. So easily, you can easily read this one. I'm telling you, everybody can understand it. Whatever happens, this is USD JPY. Keep that in mind. This is the 4-hour time frame, and you can see price is ranging over here. The lines are intersecting, and when the price opens up or the alligator is now open, we look for a bearish or a bullish engulfing candle. And let's see what we have over here. We have got quite a number of candles over here. Oh my god, and we easily now start selling because you can see we have got a bearish engulfing candle, we've got a bearish consecutive candles, and then we're able to sell, and we go a long way. Guys, look at this. Look at the magnitude. Look at the magnitude movement of price going all the way down like that. We are selling. So this is just basically how the alligator works, my friends. Even if you can check over here, you can see we have got price range here. So it's all here, you can see, and then the alligator is opening here, and then we come up here and we look for a bullish engulfing candle or bullish consecutive candles, and after it opened here we had a bullish engulfing candle over here, and we had another one over here, and the price began to buy. So price kept going up, price kept going up. My friends, this is no lie, this is no lie. I'm telling you, I can just choose anywhere around here. This is another example. You can see price was ranging, and then alligator is open. When alligator opens up, we've got consecutive bullish candles. If we've got consecutive bullish candles, we are able to sell. And watch that, just look at this whole period over there going up, even this area over there. Guys, this is just amazing, this is just amazing. The alligator is so simple, and yet it's giving us a lot. And look at where we are right now. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be giving you guys all these tips over here on how to make it this 2025. Don't worry about those haters who keeps talking their things on the comment section. Relax, relax. This year we are talking serious business, we are showing proof. This year we are showing proof. I can just even take this one for you. Look at that, price was ranging, and after price range, the alligator is open. When the alligator opens, we've got a bearish consecutive candles, and we've got a bearish engulfing candle. Price goes down, not just this small period, price goes down a long way. Oh my god, price goes down a long way. Look at that. Guys, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. You take care. Happy trading.